I want y'all to see Sophia's coat. Show them the coat, girlfriend. Show them the coat. Vlogmas Day 3000. I don't know. Off to storage to pick up inventory for orders. I don't have nothing going on today. This is it. This is my life. We're running around doing shop with me's and stuff today. So, yeah. Juice. So, come on, we are still getting together in here. So, oh, that's gonna be for DIY. That's the old couch. It's gonna be for DIY. You're not getting no glass. So we still getting things together, organizing. It's a hot mess. I gotta refold all of this stuff. I gotta put the shelves together to put the sunglasses up, the hats up, all the stuff. So it is a funness. So I'm gonna go and do that. I'm gonna pull this up and then I'll tell you so you can help me. All right, let's do that. I think Sophia is stealing. No, that's the last pair of those. And I gave you some of those already.
You did.
You've had the circle. Janae, all y'all had the circle.
Janae had them.
But I think Sophia's stealing from me. And then somebody gonna order. Stealing. So if you order something and it ain't here,
just checks.
I don't know. You sneaky. I don't trust her. You trust her? I don't trust her.
Trust me not doing anything?
Mm-hmm. But this is why I gotta organize and keep sticky fingers out of here.
Sticky fingers. Oh, you see me when I'm looking at stuff. Mm-hmm. You over here calling me a thief. You ain't got no proof that I stole it.
But all right, let me get back to this. The different colors, not the pink ones.
Yeah, the pink ones. You have mad of those. I just seen them.
Oh, let me see.
Look.
That's not mad. It's one extra pair.
And then there's the ones right there.
Oh my God, I can't stand you. How the hell does she have so many glasses? The glasses sat in the house for how long?
I didn't look through all of them. You wouldn't have touched them in the house.
This is the most exciting part of our day. The thief. The thief. She's made out with her goods. The thief. She's talking about something. She gonna tag me. I don't need you to. Goodbye. Talking about she gonna tag me. We went inside. When we came inside, it was daylight. Where the sun go?
That's crazy.
Where the sun go? We have not been in there that long. Off topic. If you have a ferret, get it some of this ferrite. Bandy loves this. It's like her crack. So if you have a ferret, get yourself ferret. Okay. Now she said she took a bar class. She said I couldn't handle it if I did it. Look closed though. Oh, so I guess I'm not gonna find out how much it is. She said I couldn't handle the bar class.
I don't think you could either.
I could do it.
I just saw what they were doing. You're not doing
what they doing? Let me see. I could do it. I could do this. You think I can't do that? One, I'm very flexible. That I could do. Why wouldn't I be able to do that?
Bend your knees. You was not doing
Girl, you
that.
crazy. I'm about to try it.
Nuh-uh, you gonna die.
Watch. I'm gonna do it. Sophia doubting me.
When we
I don't like to be doubted.
to the hospital, I'll record the hospital.
Ain't gonna be no hospital.
The ambulance coming up.
Yeah, okay. We're going to HomeGoods real quick. The most happiest place.
No.
HomeGoods.
Let's get started.
Oh, okay, so look. These are the books. They don't have the nice colored ones though. But they have these in the neutral color. They had Monopoly and they had Scrabble, I think. No, they had it in a taupe. Like a brown. But these are $25. Blue don't go with nothing in the house.
I'm saying you said they had it. I'm saying it looks like that though.
But you put them on your bookshelf, you can see. Can you see? They're like textured. Love it. This is a cute Scrabble.
Let's get mystery date game. We have that date game.
Yeah, where we gonna put that? In your room? Uh-huh. But we love HomeGoods. This is cute. I love HomeGoods. That means we love HomeGoods. Oh, you can do your own escape room? Let me have found out. How do you do your own escape room?
$16.99.
Interesting. These are so cute. Cause you like race cars?
Yeah, I know how to control things.
Okay. You hear the song saying nah. Let's go.
She laughs at her own jokes because she thinks she's funny. Because nobody else will laugh at her jokes, so she has to laugh at them.
Oh, you hurt? Your feelings hurt? Remember these days? This is cute. They ain't had this kind of stuff when you was into this.
Nobody needed that.
You would have asked for it though.
All I need is my American. This is not American Girl doll.
But you would have asked for it.
Wayfair. Like, what is Wayfair?
Wayfair is a store. What are you talking about? Fake Wayfair.
Wayfair. They got...
That's cute. You would have asked for it.
No, I wouldn't have.
Liar. Shut your face. These are my curtains.
See how mean
Shut your
you are?
face. These are my curtains that I have in my bedroom. Love these. 96 inch. It's hard lately to find 96 inch though. People care. People care. I'm thinking about these. These are 96 inch too. For the living room. Because the gray couch goes with the gray couch.
I don't like it.
I don't like sparkle, but you wouldn't really see it.
I don't like it.
Okay.
It's not going in my living room.
Okay, I don't know. Let's see over here.
I was sitting
Yeah, okay.
Why not?
Ooh, look at that one.
What are these like?
I ain't got no space for it, but look at it. It's got issues already though. And they only took $199 off. Look at that. That is on both ones. Somebody returned this. But it's cute though. Oh my. This would be.
That's ugly. She doesn't like purple. She's not a purple dog.
She will look good. And this is for a big dog anyway. She would look.
I'm trying to have my dog out here looking crazy.
She would look awesome.
$15.
$15. She would look awesome.
I'm thinking awesome.
She look awesome. Look at these. This is a cute gift. Just add. That's a cute gift. How much is it?
I'm looking at my
Oh, we're gonna do mocktails. You wanna do mocktails?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do mocktails. They have like kind of a Keurig, not this brand, but like a kind of a Keurig drink thing. But if you don't want to spend that money, this is a cute little drink thing. And then you just gotta add the, the mixers yourself. But this is cute, $30 for a bar area. This, so cute. I got one of the little ones from Target for $5. But this sucker, this looks nice. $35. These look nice. These are nice. But, oh, here we go, more. What are these? So me and Sophia are gonna make mocktails sometime soon. You wanna go on Pinterest and find the ideas for us? Lorraine? You can make a... So gift ideas, you can get gifts from HomeGoods. I get my wrapping paper and stuff from HomeGoods. Look at this. I do every year. It's cute. I get my wrapping paper and stuff from HomeGoods. So you might want to, if you don't know. Let me stop, because I'll be going to do the whole shop with me. Like, this is what people ask me for. But who asks me for anything? Oh, here it is in the other colors. Wait, is it? No. I got excited. Categories.
Categories?
What did you call it?
Categories?
No, categories.
I don't know what this game is. I never played it.
I never played it either. I just heard it. Okay, I love HomeGoods. Look at this. This piece is cute, but I have enough Biggle Boggles.
This is my friend.
Oh, that's your friend? That's your buddy? I have enough Biggle Boggles, even though let me find the right one. That's cute.
Why you say we?
Huh?
Why you say we have it? So that means you have it also. And
I know I have been to the Stop and Shop a lot.
I've been with your babes.
But anyway, about to go get dinner because
I'm getting dinner. We're getting stuff to make dinner.
Yeah, that's what getting dinner is.
No, it's not.
Girl, but we cannot walk side by side. Get away from me. Get away from me, stalker. Get away from me.
You're stalking me.
God dang. You can't get up. But anyway, we going to get this stuff from the market. We're gonna get Taisha. Taisha gonna hang tonight. Yeah. Yeah.
Cause of mine. Cause of me. No.
Anyway.
Well,
But these are pretty. We should put fresh flowers in the house. Anyway, let me grab a salad. So I'm gonna grab a salad because I'm not really in the mood for tacos. I was at BJ's the other day. I was gonna grab some because everybody eats the kits now. So it'd be hard to find good ones. Should I get, I think I'm gonna get avocado ranch. Right? But it's the last one. Oh no, it's not. Okay. I'm gonna get avocado ranch. It don't say must buy 3, so I'm just gonna buy this one. All right, here's the stuff. Come on. Are you okay? Where you rushing to? Somebody should come help you. But should we just get a kit? No. It'll have everything I need in it. No. Are you on this stuff? It has the soft tacos. It has the seasoning. And then we just gotta grab sour cream. That makes sense. No, it doesn't. How doesn't it make sense? Because you're on something. I'm gonna get a kit. You want Old El Paso or Ortega?
I want Old El Paso, but we don't know how those tortillas work.
They work the same. It's the same. It's a flour tortilla.
I don't know if it's as big as the other ones.
Listen, greedy butt. Listen, greedy butt. Saphira is still complaining about the options that we got.
You don't even know seasoning's in here.
Seasoning is in the kit.
It didn't say it.
And we have a thing of seasoning if not. But anyway, Saphira thinks she's ready to get a job.
I am. I don't think I know. I'm not trying to be poor for the rest of my life.
Because she don't have all the stuff. Because she's poor.
I am.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't got no income. What money do I have?
But if you save it and don't spend it as soon as you get it.
I used to ask for it for reasons to spend it.
Mm-hmm. But Saphira thinks she's ready for a job. But a job for Saphira is a job for me.
No, it's not.
Because she says she's going to bike. But who going to bike when it's snowing, when it's raining? Huh?
I'll call out if it's raining.
You get fired. That's not how jobs work. You can't.
I'm
It's dark up in here. We got Taisha though. We secured the goods for Saphira. On the way to make tacos and put up all this stuff. This the bull. They started Harry Potter again without me.
Okay, because we not started it again, we finishing it, and you weren't there from the beginning, so why would you like?
So I'm not part?
I had my marathon with you. You be acting. Taisha was not here complaining.
You
when I
real
was watching it
needy.
with you.
Yeah, I am. I'm
Real
a needy.
needy.
I'm needy like the
I'ma
dog.
say it.
I'm a needy like the dog.
Oh, yeah.
I remembered. I have a whole dang meal. I ate a couple of pieces of this meat today. That's it. That's what I've eaten all day. So I'm gonna eat this for dinner tonight. Ridiculous. So this is it. Tacos. And I got a mess load of work to do. So that's it for tonight. Bye. The store Saphira's like, that's not enough. That's not enough. It's only gonna be 5. 5 for her, 5 for me. That's not enough.
She just ate. She probably not hungry.
That's what I said. She had a whole burrito.
Yeah, a girl could eat. Now she want to take 3. She had 1 just before.
Don't be making yourself. Don't be wasting no food.
I was starting with 1. Yeah, don't waste it. I know. I'm gonna eat it.